Good evening, sir. Today I am going to explain probability chapter. Probability chapter. Here the probability means probably. It refers to probably. Okay. Then what is the formula for empirical probability? Empirical probability is defined as favorable outcomes to total outcomes. Favorable outcomes to total outcomes. The ratio of favorable outcomes to total outcomes, then that is called probability. Here we are going to explain some words that are experiment. First, what is the experiment? An operation which can produce some well-defined result, well-defined outcomes. An operation which can produce well-defined outcomes. An operation which can produce well-defined outcomes, then that is called an experiment. Okay, if you do any experiment in chemistry, physics, or whatever it may be, finally you get some result, some well-defined outcomes. Okay, if you get some well-defined outcomes, that is called an experiment. Next, what is about trial? Here, trial is performing an experiment is called trial. Performing an experiment is called trial. So many times we are also using first you do try. Okay, what is trial? Performing an experiment is called trial. Performing an experiment is called trial. Then what are equally likely outcomes? Equally likely outcomes. Suppose if you toss one coin, what is the probability if it is on head or tail? Okay, the getting of head or getting of tail. Getting of head is 50% and getting of tail also 50%. These type of events are called equally likely outcomes. These type of outcomes are called equally likely outcomes. Okay. In an experiment, any two values are equal, then that are called equally likely outcomes. Okay, suppose number of boys in a class 30, number of girls in a class also 30, total 60. Then what is the probability of getting boys and probability of girls? Probability of boys is equal to favorable outcomes 30 by 60, that is equal to 1 by 2. Probability of girls is equal to 30 by 60, that is also 1 by 2. Here these two outcomes are, the probability of two events are equal, then that is called equally likely outcomes. Next, mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events. What are mutually exclusive events? If one outcome mutually prevents the another outcome. If one event prevents another event is called, if one event prevents the another event is called mutually exclusive events. Okay, if you toss a coin, okay, the head will be, you are getting head. Then what is the meaning? The probability of getting head means the probability of not getting tail also we called. That type of events are called mutually exclusive events. The event prevents the another event. The event, if you are getting head, that means you are preventing the tail. That events are called mutually exclusive events. Next, what is a sample space? Sample space is the possible outcomes of an experiment is called the possible outcomes of an experiment is called sample space. Possible outcomes of an experiment is called sample space. Suppose you toss a coin, then possible outcomes, sample space is equal to head comma tail. This is a sample space of tossing a coin. Next, if you roll one die, then sample space is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In snake game and Ludo, you are using die. Die or dice. That is called die or dice. Okay. Dice rolled, then the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the possible outcomes. Next, what is a certain event or sure event? What is a certain event or sure event? Certain event, the probability, if the probability of an event is 1, if the probability of an event is 1, then it is called certain event or sure event. Suppose October 2nd we are celebrated Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. That is per year only once it will become. So it is called a certain event or sure event. If the probability of an event is 1, then that is called certain event. Example, October 2nd Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, or September 5th Radha Krishnan Jayanti, Teachers Day. These are all the examples of certain event. Next, what is a impossible event? Okay. There is no any possible outcome. Is called impossible event. Suppose if you roll one die, The possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I am asking, what is the probability of getting 7 when a die rolled? Here 7 is there, not there. So this type of events are called impossible events. These type of events are called impossible events. These type of events are called impossible events. Okay. Next we are going to discuss a coin. Suppose if a coin is tossed in cricket matches and all other matches, equal likely outcomes, we are using tossing of a coin. Here we are using the sample space S is equal to H comma T. Okay. Here we know probability. Before we are going to a coin, complementary events. What are complementary events? Suppose P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. P of E bar means P of not E. This is the complementary event of a probability. Next, before we are going to coin or dice, we have discussed something about range. What is the range of probability? Okay, range means here, what is the probability? P of E is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Here, denominator only big value, total outcomes. Here, total outcomes means denominator has a greatest value when compared to numerator. So the probability of an event must be lie in between. For the probability always should be in between 0 and 1. The probability always should be in between 0 and 1, because favorable outcomes are the small value, total outcomes are the greatest value. Okay, this value can't exceed this total outcomes. That's why probability always lie in between 0 to 1, and probability cannot be in negative values. And cannot exceed the 1 value. Probability cannot be negative values and probability cannot exceed the 1 value. Okay. Suppose 2 by 7 is an probability of an event, because it is lie in between 0 and 1. 7 by 2 is not an probability of the event. 7 by 2 is not an probability of event because it is greater than 1. So the probability should not exceed the value of 1. Then here main problems are based on suppose if you toss a coin, one coin, the type of problems are there. Suppose 1,000 times I toss a coin, 555 times getting head. What is the probability of getting tail? That type of problems are based on these coins. Okay. Next, dice means if a die is rolled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, one is neither prime nor composite number, neither prime nor composite number. Okay, 2 comma 4 comma 6 are even numbers, 1 comma 3 comma 5 are odd numbers. They are asking this type of problems. If a die is rolled, what is the probability of getting 1? What is the probability of getting neither prime nor composite? What is the probability of getting prime numbers? What is the probability of getting composite numbers? What is the probability of getting less than 4? What is the probability of getting greater than 4? That type of problems they are asked. Okay, this is our base. This is our base. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 are total outcomes when a die is rolled. This type of problems are also they ask. Next, in a bag, some red balls are there, some blue balls are there, some yellow balls are there. Some red balls, some blue balls, some yellow balls. They are asking what is the probability of getting red? What is the probability of getting yellow? What is the probability of getting not red? Okay, what is the probability of getting not yellow? So P of red, suppose red 3, blue 4, yellow 5. Probability of getting red is favorable outcomes to total outcomes. Favorable outcomes to total outcomes. Here favorable outcomes, the probability of getting red, pick the red on the bag is 3. Total outcomes 12. Okay, the probability of getting red is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is the probability of getting red. Then what is the probability of not getting red? We know the complementary values P of R plus P of R bar is equal to 1. P of R means 1 by 4. We doesn't know P of R bar. Here P of R bar is called probability of getting not red. Probability of getting not red. That is equal to 1. P of R bar is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. That is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the probability of not getting red. Probability of not getting red. This is the problems about bag. First one coins, second one dice, third one bag, and fourth one playing cards. Fourth one, our concept is playing cards. Playing cards. Total playing cards are 52. Total playing cards are 52. In that, red and black. Red 26 are there. In red 26 and in black 26. Again, red can be divided into two types: hearts and diamonds. Hearts and diamonds. That is 13. Here also 13. And black also can be divided into two types. These are spades and clubs. Spades and clubs. Playing cards, total playing cards are 52. Again, these 52 cards will be divided into 26 based on their color. Next, in 26 red color also again divided into two types. One is hearts, another one is diamonds. Black also divided into spades, clubs. These are also 13. These are also 13. In these 13 value, in these 13 cards, ace, king, queen, jack, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 13 cards that they are ace, king, queen, jack, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 13 cards. These 13 cards in there. Hearts also there and diamonds also. These 13 cards are there. Spades also. These 13 cards are there. Clubs also. These 13 cards are there. Okay. Here, what is number cards? Total number cards from 2 to 10. From 2 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number cards is equal to 9. And here, face cards and picture cards. Face cards and picture cards. In playing cards, in some playing cards, face is visible. If face is visible, then that cards are called face cards. Okay? King, queen, jack, face is visible. Face is visible. When we saw a playing card, then king, queen, jack, these three members' face is visible. So face cards are 3. In this set 3, here also 3, here also 3, here also 3. 4 sets are there. 4 into 3, total 12. 4, 3 into 4, 12. Here also number cards 9, 9, 9, 9. 4 sets are there. 9 4s, 36 are number cards. 36 are number cards. Then what about picture cards? Picture cards. When we saw cards, then picture will be visible. Then that picture cards are here. Face is also one picture. And ace also having picture. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In each set 4. Total 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. So many problems are there regarding to these playing cards. Okay, playing cards 52 red to black. In red, hearts and diamonds, black, spades and clubs. Again, it will be divided into 13. Ace, king, queen, jack, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 10. Okay, this is about picture cards, brief introduction. Next, suppose I tossed 2 coins simultaneously. Suppose if you tossed 2 coins simultaneously, here the formula for probability is equal to possible outcomes whole power total number of coins. Here we are using coins. What item we used? Representing in the power. So possible outcomes means here head to tail. 2 possible outcomes. Total number of coins 2 square. That is equal to 4 outcomes will be appeared when 2 coins are tossed. When 2 coins are tossed, 4 outcomes will be appeared. Here they are. We can written as head, tail. Here head also divided into head to tail, head, tail. Okay, head will be joined with head will be joined with tail. Another outcome also, tail will be combined with head, tail will be also combined with tail. This is when 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. Then when 2 dice are rolled simultaneously, This is dice 1 and here it is dice 2. When two dice are rolled simultaneously, then formula is here possible outcomes 6, total number of outcomes, total number of dice 2, that is equal to 36. 36 out, 36 outcomes, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 4 comma 1, 5 comma 1, 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 5 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 2 comma 2. Next 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 3, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 5 comma 4, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 5, 6 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 6. Okay, this type of outcomes will become. This type of outcomes will become. They are asking sometimes what is the probability of the sum of probability. The sum of two probabilities on the ends of a dice is less than 36 or less than 50. The type of problems they are asking. This is one of the important topic. Next, if an aeroplane flies in the sky, then it will fall down unexpectedly, okay, in this area. What is the probability of fall down on the earth? What is the probability of aeroplane fall on the earth? Here probability is equal to, this is a garden, this is a earth, this is a probability of finding the place. Probability is equal to area of rectangle by area of square, area of circle. This is the probability. This is the probability of the one type of the probability. Okay, dice, okay, coins, bag, playing cards, and two coins are tossed simultaneously, two dice are rolled simultaneously, and the last topic is the probability of aeroplane falling down on the earth. Falling down on the earth is equal to, probability is equal to area of rectangle by area of circle. Suppose this type of problems are used, you shooting an arrow, then what is the some board is there. When you shoot that, what is the probability of hitting the center? Then that type we used this type of formulas. When that type we using this type of formulas. Okay, thank you.